Hi, this is Norm from bloodbornepathogen.org. I know you've got questions about how our process works and how you can obtain your OSHA compliant bloodborne pathogen training. So I wanted to walk you through step by step the entire process so you know what you'll be getting when you purchase. Once you've reviewed all of the information on our site, simply come down and place the item in the cart that you want. We've got 3 different levels of training. We recommend the platinum level, which has the most features, but whichever one works for you best, simply click on that button and you're going to be taken to this page right here. If you need additional copies of the training for other team members, simply change this number here and then recalculate, and that'll be updated on this. Next, go to checkout and you're going to be brought to this page right here. Fill in this information here. It's very important that you provide us with a valid email address because that's how we're going to be sending you the link that you'll need to get to the page to begin your training. So it's very important that you provide us with a good email address that we can reach you at right here. Once you receive that email, you're going to have a document in there that has your unique link. Once you arrive at this page, we've got the information that you need to take your training and to take your test. To take your training, you will need a copy of Adobe Acrobat. Most computers have this, but if for some reason yours doesn't, you can simply click on the link and add it to your computer. When you click on the Bloodborne Pathogen Training presentation, you're going to be taken to this page here. Now, the most current version of Adobe Acrobat has the little menu items hidden here on the bottom. If you just simply move your cursor down to the bottom, this will appear. You can use this to scroll through the 40 slides that are in the training that we have. You can also use the right arrow key on your keyboard to scroll through, or you can simply use the scroll bar located on the right hand side of your browser to scroll through the pages that are in our training. Once you've completed the training, simply click on the back button and come back to this page. Simply click on this link here to be taken to the test page. On this page, you'll need to fill in your name, first name, last name, and an email address that we can contact you at. You'll also need to include the 5-digit receipt number. This is located on the receipt that was emailed to you. Please provide that information here. And then the company you're currently working for, you're self-employed, just put self-employed here and begin the test. After you've completed the test, you'll be taken to this page here where you can do your certificate. Simply click on this link here, provide your first name, last name, the date. Also include your email address, and if you include your supervisor's email address, we'll send a copy to them also. Simply click on the generate. You'll be taken to this page here. You'll note that this certificate has the date that you took it, the date that it expires. It also contains a unique code which anybody that you provide them with this code can go to this URL right here and type in this code, and they can verify that your certificate is valid and when it expires. When you're done with that, simply click the back button a couple of times. If you come back to this page and provide us with your email address and your name, in about a year we will send you an email to notify you that your certificate is about to expire and it's time to renew. Of course, we hate spam as much as you do, so this link email address that you provide to us will only be used with your permission to remind you that you need to update your certification. Well, that's it. I hope that answers any questions that you might have, and we look forward to serving you.